good morning. I just wanted to share this little tidbit with you guys. This morning I was going for a kind of a walk jog on this trail here by my building, and I wanted to create a video about a certain subject. I thought it was a great idea, and I just wanted to kind of share that with everybody. So as I'm walking, I said, okay, fine, I'm just going to finish my exercise routine and then I'll go ahead and do the video. And I just kept walking, and it was on my mind for about, a minute or so. And I was thinking how I'm going to structure the video and so on and so forth. By the time I was done with my jog, the whole idea was gone. And then I went into the gym. I thought it'll come back. And as the time progressed, nothing came back. And there were like 5,000 different thoughts that actually came into my mind, and that great idea that I had, that great insight, that great light bulb moment that I had as I was doing my jog was completely gone. Okay, and I felt really bad about it. It's like, dang, it was such a great idea. So I know that every one of us has those situations happen every single day. So for people that are into creating, people that have ideas in terms of business, in terms of creating content, in terms of doing anything that involves any kind of creation, and that's really basically everything that we do, not writing your idea down or not taking action in regards to that idea immediately after you have that idea will tremendously increase the chances of that idea again not actually being fulfilled, not materializing. So whenever something pops into your head when it comes to creativity, again, whether it's an idea for the business, whether it's an insight in regards to management, when it's an insight in regards to any kind of procedure, I'm a dentist, so anything that has to do with dentistry, any idea in terms of creating content for social media or YouTube, or any of that stuff, anything there that involves some sort of creativity, and really life is creativity, so it basically encompasses everything in life, I think. Whenever you have that idea, if it's not acted upon immediately, and the acting upon it immediately could be just writing it down, writing a note, either on a piece of paper or on your iPhone, or on a computer if you're doing some work and so on. Anyways, putting it down somewhere is essential for greatly increases the chances of that insight or that idea actually becoming reality. I hope that helps, and I definitely will be doing that from now on a very consistent basis. And thank you for watching.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of